Alrighty, guys, here we go. This is again the 2 minute chart. This is Brian here with the American Fluent Trade Room. We did take a short a little early here, but we broke through our zone that again we predetermined that this was an area of interest. This zone here. And if we just kind of follow it back on this chart, we see that we've had a ton of basing happen today, and yesterday after it broke through the all-time high area. So when you see that kind of basing, it's usually you'd expect some kind of pullback. So that's kind of what we've been waiting on today. We really didn't take any trades this morning for that reason. For the reason that we wanted to really look for an area that if it broke down past it, we could actually take some kind of sell order. So we're just going back in time here to show you why we took this trade and why we took it, where we took it. Um, Sorry about that. So the reason we took it where we took it is because when you see this zone and where we picked it out and where it started with a ton of basing, which tells us that there was a ton of indecision. Now I know this is late in the day; it's around 2 p.m. that this happened, but that means that there's a ton of indecision in this area, especially institutional indecision. So we're going to create a zone based on that. And if we see ourselves break down, and we'll just flip this back to real time here, we see ourselves break down past that. All we waited for was the pullback. We had the pullback to the number that we wanted to take the pullback to, which was approximately about the bottom of this last move here was what we wanted to see. If we want to blow this up on the candle here, we wanted to see it break down past this little wick here, which it did, and then come back up to that, and then we took the short there. So that's the reason behind this. Really easy trade to take on a retracement when you see the market breaking down. And so now we've got it broken down. We're up about 38 points, 40 points. So pretty easy trade to take. We're going to do what we usually do and just do some stop management here. Since we're up about $400 and guarantee us about 200 bucks on this with that 10 points and make an easy trade here. It's a pretty easy trade. We're not looking for a ton of points here. We're not looking for a runner. If we get stopped out, we made our $200, and that's why we call it trading made easy. We do very simple, easy trade setups. The only thing it takes is a little bit of patience. Usually in the mornings, we take a lot more trades. Unfortunately, this morning I had a doctor's appointment, so I wasn't able to trade this morning. But we can take the same trade setups, whether it's morning, night, evening, as long as the market's open, which is open 23 hours with the American Affluent Trade Room. That's AmericanAffluent.com. If you sign up for the 1 day trial for $10, we'll actually give you a week trial through the day trading tour. So you can go to daytradingtour.com, search American Affluent, and that week trial is right there. All you have to click on it. It is still $10. That includes 3 coaching sessions. So if you're a trader who's been trading for years, or you're brand new to trading, we'll show you how to make trading easy and get yourself out of your own way and stop overcomplicating things. What I always tell people when I coach them is, would you rather know everything about the markets, or would you rather make money in the markets? And guys, the answer is just make money in the markets. You don't need to know everything about the markets to make money in them. So we'll come back and manage this trade. Most likely, we'll end up getting stopped out of this trade, just because we're going to look for a better trade setup here in just a little bit. And there's we'll take that 13 points pretty easy here, and we'll come back and check on it here in a little while. That's please like, subscribe, and share. If you like, subscribe, or share, we will, and let us know on the Day Trading Tour website. We will give you. There we go. We're stopped out 200 something dollars, just like that. We will give you that week trial for free. Thanks. This is Brian signing off. Check back in with you guys on the next.